square house by Ilsangarchitects in ANSAN-SI, South Korea. Square house is located on a quiet seaside. It is a place created for couples, clients, as well as for their families, acquaintances, and company employees to forget about their daily lives and relax. There was a house where the client lived right next to the site, and it shares the yard with square house. Since it has a complex shape with various elevation elements, this project wanted to be simpler and more linear than any other building. Therefore, the composition of the mass emphasizing the horizontal line was made. A temporary wall was planned as a device that creates a buffer space in front of the living room to selectively share the yard and eliminate gaze interference. This wall blocks the gaze from the outside and at the same time brings in light, and becomes the background of the trees when viewed from the inside. The concern in this project was the saline of the seashore. The exterior material we chose is ceramic tile. Compared to other exterior materials, it is resistant to salt and is free from various contaminants. The square house appears to be floating slightly off the ground. It was intended that those who visit this place enter with a sense of unfamiliarity and pleasant curiosity at the same time, and it was designed to be a symbolic form of forgetting daily life. The entry is made to the first floor while looking at the landscaping of the space between the temporary wall and the building. On the ground floor, there is a living room, a kitchen, a bathroom, and an outdoor space connected to the living room. In the living room, the gaze expands toward the sea in front, and a window that can go out to the outside deck and a temporary wall is used as a background to enjoy a short-range landscaping space, and an opening is made beyond that to form a sense of space with a window that directs the gaze toward the sky. On the second floor, the walls were minimized and the roof slab was supported with a concrete circular column to create a panoramic view so that the sea and surroundings can be seen at a glance. The outdoor space is open to the sea in the same way as the first floor.